Next question. The simplest form of 2 minus a cube plus 2 plus a bracket cube. Use the formula a plus b bracket cube and a minus b bracket cube, or instead of these separate we take as x cube plus y cube, that is x plus y and x square minus xy plus y square. This is the formula. Use this formula. This is the x and this is the y. X cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube, first bracket, addition of these two numbers. Addition of these two numbers. 2 minus a plus 2 plus a. Addition of these two numbers. Then x square, first square. X square, that is 2 minus a bracket square minus x into y, multiplication of these two numbers, 2 minus a, 2 plus a, plus y square, 2 plus a bracket square. Here I use x cube plus y cube, formula is x plus y, so addition of, this is the x, this is the y, addition of these two numbers, x square, this number square, minus x into y, this is the x, this is the y, plus y square, y square. Now minus a plus a cancel, 2 into 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4 in bracket. Now solve this a minus b bracket square, 2 square 4 minus 2 into a, 4a plus a square, by using the formula minus, by using the formula also here. One bracket is positive number, second is negative, a plus b, a minus b, 2 square 4 minus a square, and behind this there is the negative sign, plus use here formula also, 2 plus a bracket square, 2 square plus 4 plus 2 into a, that is 4a plus a square, 4 in bracket. Four minus 4a plus a square, in bracket, behind the bracket there is negative sign, so change the sign, minus 4 plus a square plus 4 plus 4a plus a square. Now what got? Minus 4a plus 4a cancel, a square, 3 times a square, plus 4 minus 4 cancel, only 4 is remaining, 4 in bracket, a square plus a square plus a square, 3a square plus 4. So multiplication of these two, 4 into 3, 12, a square plus 4 into 4, 16. So our answer is 16 plus 12a square, and option number is 1, 16 plus 12a square. Next question, x plus 3 upon 2 bracket square, we have to find the expansion of these two, these numbers, x plus 3 upon 2 bracket square. Use the formula a plus b bracket square, a equal to x and b equal to 3 upon 2. Formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Put these values, a square, x square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square, 3 upon 2 square. X square, cancel numerator denominator 2 cancel, plus 3x plus 3 upon 2 square, 9 upon 4. So our answer is option number 1. Next is 11. 13.0 square minus 12.8 square upon 13.0 minus 12.8. Now use the formula a square minus b square. a plus b, a minus b. In numerator, use this formula. Bracket square minus bracket square, that is a square minus b square. Formula is a plus b, a minus b. So first write down the 13.0 plus 12.8, addition of these two number and subtraction of these two number. In denominator there is also subtraction of the two numbers. These two brackets are equal. In numerator and denominator, these two brackets are cancelled. Answer is 13.0 plus 12.8. Addition of these two number 25.8. Our answer is option number 1. Next question. Multiplication of two binomials here. 2m plus 5, 2m minus 3. 2m are equal. So use the formula x plus a and x plus b. Brackets, multiplication of these two bracket is equal to x square plus a plus b bracket. A plus b multiply by x plus a into b. Use this formula. 2m plus 5 multiply by 2m minus 3. 2m is equal. So x equal to 2m. 2m square plus 5a, this is the a and this is the b. 5 minus 3, x is 2m plus multiplication of 5 into minus 3. 4m square plus 2 into 2, 4m minus 15. So our answer is 4m square plus 4m minus 15. Answer number, option number 1. I use here formula, but instead of formula you also multiply these two bracket. Solving the bracket, 2m multiply by 2m minus 3, 2m into 2m minus 3 plus 5 into 2m minus 3. 2m multiply this bracket by 2m, multiply this bracket by 5. 4 into 4, 2 into 2, 4, m into m square, minus 2 into 3, 6 into m, plus 5 into 2, 10m, 5 into minus 3, minus 15, 4m square, 10m minus 6m plus 4m minus 15. Here I use the formula and here I simply multiply the both brackets. Multiplication of both brackets. Next is, if x plus 1 upon 2 bracket square equal to x square plus m plus 1 by 4. Only solve this bracket by using the formula. And what is that formula? Use the formula a plus b bracket square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Use this formula. Solve the square of the x plus 1 upon 2 bracket square. A is x and b is 1/2. X square plus 2 into x into 1/2. Multiplication of this into 2 plus 1/2 square. X square, numerator denominator 2 cut, plus x plus 1 by 4. And this is given x square plus m plus 1 by 4. By comparing this, what is the value of m? M equal to x. So our answer is option number 2. Next example, 0.6 raised to 4 minus 0.4 raised to 4 divided by 0.6 square plus 0.4 square. Now here is the index 4, here is the 2. So I change the index 4 as a 2, that is I write here minus 0.6 square raised to 2. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 0.4 raised to 2 bracket square upon 0.6 raised to 2 plus 0.4 raised to 2. Now here is the a, here is the b. A square minus b square. I use the formula a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Here a is what? A is the 0.6 bracket square is the a. Total a is, what is a? A is equal to 0.6 bracket square. And what is b? 0.4 bracket square is the b. Equal to. Use the formula. First I write this bracket a plus b, that is this one a, this one b, summation of these two number. I write first bracket a plus b. Now I write a minus b. This is the a, this is the b. A plus b, a minus b upon 0.6 bracket square plus 0.4 bracket square. Now these two brackets are equal. These two brackets are equal. Numerator, denominator cut. So remaining is 0.6 bracket square minus 0.4 square. Now we can solve this similar way. This is the a, this is the b. Now use the formula a square minus b square. Here a is 0.6, b is 0.4. So a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Zero 0.6 plus 0.4, that is 1.0, that is 1. 1 into some subtraction of these two numbers, 0.2. 1 into 0.2, that is 0.2. So our answer is option number 3, 0.3 or 0.2. Next example is 2.2 bracket square plus 2.1 bracket square plus 1.7 bracket square plus 2 into these two, 2.2 into 2.1 plus 2 into 2.1 into 1.7 plus 2 into 2.2 into 1.7. What is the answer? So long. I have one identity. I write one identity, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca or AC equal to, in bracket, a plus b plus c bracket square. I use this identity. A square 2.2 square, b square, c square plus 2 into multiplication of these two, 2ab, 2abc. This is the a. So by comparing both, so a equal to 2.2, b equal to 2.1, c equal to 1.7. By comparing this formula with this one, so I write a equal to 2.2, b equal to 2.1, c equal to 1.7, and this is the expansion of a plus b plus c bracket square. So answer is 2.2 plus 2.1 plus 1.7 bracket square. Addition of 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 6.0 square, that is 36. Our answer is option number 2. Not solve 2.2's bracket square. 2.2's bracket square. No need to solve all these. Only use the formula. Next example. 3.457 into 3.457 minus 2.543 into 2.543 divided by 3.457 minus 2.543. These two numbers are equal. The multiplication of equal number, that is square of that number. Same as 2.543 bracket square divided by 3.457 minus 2.543. In numerator first number square minus second number squares. So I use the formula a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. So I use that formula a square minus b square. In first bracket there is the addition of these two number, and in second bracket there is the subtraction of these two number, and denominator there is the subtraction of these two number. Two brackets are equal in numerator and in denominator these two brackets are equal, so cut that brackets. So only answer is 3.457 plus 2.543 and 7 plus 3 0 0 0 6. So our answer is 6, option number 2. Next question. How many of following statements are definitely true? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at these four. First one is cube of x plus 4. So solve this cube. Our answer is x cube plus 12x square plus 4x plus 64. First term square cube plus 3 into first into second square plus 3 into x square into 4 plus 4 cube. This is the expansion, and our answer is x cube plus 16 into 3 48 x plus 12x square plus 64. X cube plus 48x plus 12x square plus 64. This is the correct one. Use the formula. What is that formula? A plus b bracket cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Use the formula. Our answer is this one. So this is the correct sentence. Now second one. Use the formula x plus a x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b brackets x plus a into b. These two numbers are equal. So x equal to 2q. 2q square plus 5 minus 3 into 2q plus 5 into minus 3. 4q square plus 5 minus 3, 2 into 2, 4q minus 15. So our answer is correct. So these two are the correct identities. Now third and 4 is not the identity. This is only true when we put the value of y equal to 10. These two are not identities, so only two statements are definitely true. 1 and 2, only two are definitely true. When I put y equal to 1, this is the wrong. When I put m equal to 2, this is the wrong. So only two are the correct one. Next is factorize this one. A minus b bracket square plus 8 into a minus b plus 15. So by our convenience, put a minus b equal to x. For easy method, put a minus b equal to x. So this equation become as x square plus 8x plus 15. Now solve this. By solve this, x square multiplication, take multiplication 15, the product is 3 into 5 and addition of these two number is 8x. So x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. So our answer is x plus 5. Find the common from these two. Find the common from these two. 3 is common, x plus 5. So this is our answer, x plus 5 and x plus 3. So now put the value of x x is a minus b, so a minus b plus 5 and a minus b plus 3. So our answer is option number 1. What is the expansion of 5 plus 1 upon 6x and 5 minus 1 upon 6x? 5 plus 1 upon 6x, 5 minus 1 upon 6x. Observe these two brackets. These numbers are equal number. In one bracket there is addition, in other bracket there is the subtraction. So use the formula a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Use the formula a, b. These two are equal, but there is subtraction and plus sign. So here is the addition, here is the subtraction. So use this formula. So first square 5 square minus second square a square minus b square. B is 1 upon 6x bracket square. So answer is 25 minus square of this number is 36, 1 upon 36 x square. So our answer is option number 1. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.